One day, Hazrat Umar ibn al-Khattab, may Allah be pleased with him, was the caliph at the time. He used to patrol the streets of Medina at night to see for himself how the people were. One night, he passed by a house and heard the sound of children crying. He knocked on the door and asked, "O slave of Allah, why are the children crying?" The woman said, "They are hungry, and I have only put water in the pot and placed it on the stove, so that they will think that something is cooking and go to sleep." Hazrat Umar was deeply moved. He immediately went to the treasury, took a sack of flour, ghee, and some other things, and carried it on his shoulder and reached the woman's house. The servant said, "O Commander of the Faithful, give me this burden, I will carry it." Hazrat Umar said, "Will you carry my burden even on the day of judgment?" He himself delivered the goods, gave them to the woman, and lit the stove with his own hands and prepared the food. Even the children ate and fell asleep. The woman said, "May Allah reward you with good. You are better than Umar." Hazrat Umar smiled and said, "If you come to Baitul Mal in the morning, you will also meet Umar.